The purpose of the Worldox autofiler is to assist you in bulk filing documents to Worldox. A common list of items that can be filed with the Worldox autofiler include invoices, quarterly reports from your portfolio management software, 1099s, and K-1s. In today's video, we will be filing portfolio holding reports from our portfolio management software. To begin, I've already run our quarterly reports. And I have Worldox open. We will be saving documents to Worldox using this tool, and as you've probably heard several times, in order to save documents to Worldox, you must have Worldox open. Now, I'm going to open the Worldox autofiler tool by double-clicking on the shortcut on my desktop. I'm going to choose File, Autofile Portfolio Holdings to Worldox from my configuration selector. This will provide the tool with the instructions on where to file these particular documents. Next, I drag and drop the documents from the folder in which my reports were stored by my portfolio management software to the bottom of the autofiler tool. You can adjust any placeholders, in this case in the description, in order to clearly identify the files in Worldox. I'm going to change this to be the appropriate year quarter in which I'm filing. I can choose to select a few files and just file those, or I can opt to save all files. In this case, I'm going to save all the files to Worldox by choosing the Save All Files button in the bottom right-hand corner. Notice, as the documents are being saved to Worldox, the save result shows that the files were saved with a green checkbox. Now we'll go find these files in Worldox. Here are our auto-filed reports. The autofiler is a quick and easy tool that's used to bulk file documents to Worldox.